A lot of photographers have experienced the benefits of shooting with a macro lens for close-ups on objects. The challenge, though, is even with a macro lens, it can be difficult to keep everything in focus. Sometimes you have a wide range of objects or a long object that really just cannot be completely crisp. Now, objects that are far away are easy to keep in focus, but as you get closer and closer to the camera, you do have tougher times keeping things perfectly crisp. Fortunately, there's a technique that combines post-production and production, and it's called focus stacking. What this allows you to do is to take multiple images that are shot with different points of focus set in each image. Then, inside of Photoshop, it's easy to combine those into one document and let Photoshop automatically merge them together, keeping the best parts of each area in focus. Now, shooting this is pretty straightforward, but it's absolutely critical that you use a tripod. You need the camera to be locked off on a tripod with minimal to no movement in order for this to work. The more solid the platform, the better. If you're not using a tripod, something like a Platypod or a tabletop tripod will also work as well to really help you get close to the subject. Ideally, you'll use a macro lens, something that has a very small minimum aperture and is good at focusing up close. All right, now that you understand the basics of shooting, let's move on to the post-production.